take your balls and go home. French professional sports matches, including football and rugby, are cancelled until at least September, bringing a definitive end to the 2019-2020 sports season. Prime Minister Edouard Philippe driving the point home Tuesday as he unveiled the government's plan to gradually unwind the country's coronavirus lockdown.
Les grandes manifestations sportives, culturelles, notamment les festivals, les grands salons professionnels, tous les événements qui regroupent plus de 5000 participants ne pourront se tenir avant le mois de septembre. La saison 2019-2020 de sport professionnel, notamment celle de football, ne pourra pas non plus reprendre.
The decision leaves the country's Ligue 1 and Ligue 2 competitions without a clear victor. The French Football Federation had hoped to resume those matches in mid-June and complete the season in late July. The FFF must now decide how to declare Ligue 1's final results. Paris Saint-Germain currently leads Olympique Marseille by 12 points. Europe's top football leagues have all suspended their seasons amid the COVID-19 pandemic. But while the Netherlands has declared its football season over with no title to be awarded, Germany's Bundesliga, Italy's Serie A, and the English Premier League have all said they want to finish their seasons. European football body UEFA has set May 25th as the deadline for leagues to finalize their plans. While French footballers won't be taking the field again this season, it's not the end of all French sports. The country's sports ministry said Tuesday that the iconic Tour de France cycling race, already postponed until late August, is still on, with likely limits on the number of live spectators.